To connect InfinityFree with Cloudflare for enhanced performance and security, follow these steps. Sign up for Cloudflare. Go to the Cloudflare website and sign up for an account. Once logged in, click on Add a site and enter your InfinityFree domain. Configure DNS settings. Cloudflare will scan your domain's existing DNS records. Review the records to ensure they match the settings provided by InfinityFree. Add or modify any missing DNS records. For InfinityFree, you will typically need to set up A records for your domain's IP address or CNAME records. Update name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 name servers. Log into InfinityFree cPanel or your domain register. Go to your domain settings and update the name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Verify connection. Once the name servers are updated, it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate. After that, you can check if your domain is connected to Cloudflare by visiting the Cloudflare dashboard, where your site status will indicate active.